I'm an engineer. I've been an engineer all my life. And sportively, I would concentrate mostly on hiking and on skiing, downhill skiing. I had a tennis problem, a tennis accident in my earlier years. And it was a problem to my hip, which was kind of cured. But after 30 years, it came back. So some 10 years ago, maybe 8 years ago, I started feeling the pain again. And this pain progressed more and more and more, up to the point where I just could not walk anymore. I could not walk the stairs. I had to pull myself up the handrails, and then I knew that I had to do something about it. I went to see my family doctor. My family doctor told me whom I should talk to, a couple of specialists. I got to see them, and I got informed on how this procedure of hip replacement would work. At the same time, I also got aware of this method of non-invasive surgery, AMIS method, which essentially has a very positive effect that through this intervention, there is no muscle being cut, which is an important thing for the future. Because if you want to regain your strength in the legs, the muscles cannot be cut. And I immediately started concentrating on that. I felt that was the right thing for me to do if I wanted to go back to skiing and to my old hikes. I had done the inserted surgery, which went very well. The good thing about rehabilitation is that one sees a benefit every day. There is little progresses, little steps, but one sees it kind of constantly. And this is extremely reassuring. And every day you start making a bit longer walks. Rehabilitation is an important part of it. And as I can see, it works. My goal was to be able to ski and to walk as I was able to do it before. And after 6 months, it was almost back to normal. My life nowadays is the way it was a long time ago. Like I have no pain. I have, let's say, on that particular leg, I should say, I have no pain because it's totally cured. And I'm extremely happy about that. So I'm totally back to normal, and here I am.